The proposal by the National Treasury to increase taxes on several key consumer goods and services in order to beef up revenue for the 3 trillion budget has received opposition after activist Okiya Omtatah moved to challenge its implementation. In a certificate of urgency before the High Court, activist Omtatah claims that Treasury Cabinet Secretary Andrew Rotich failed to follow due process required by the law, that all bills must go through legislative process, including public participation, before they become law. Omtatah want the court to bar the realization of any tax proposed in the bill on grounds that it is unconstitutional, therefore null and void. Those named as respondents in the case include Treasury Cabinet Secretary Andrew Rotich, the Commissioner General Kenya Revenue Authority, the National Assembly and the Attorney General.
Let's start with what you have supplied to accused one, because that will give us a direction on what you have supplied to the others.
Meanwhile, the pre-trial conference for more than 40 suspects charged in connection with the loss of 468 million shillings at the National Youth Service kicked off at the Milimani Law Courts. The exercise has been postponed for 3 times after defense lawyers claimed they had not been served in good time with proper documents that will be used by the prosecution to charge their clients. The suspects in the case, including former PS Lilian Omolo and former NYS Director General Richard Dubai, are out on FT bail terms of 1 million shillings cash bail, 5 million shillings bond with sureties of 2 million shillings. And Francis Ngunga has lost his case as Machakos County Majority Leader after the High Court dismissed his petition for lack of merit. Justice David Kemei instead affirmed Mark Muendo as Majority Leader. The outgoing Majority Leader, Francis Ngunga, had moved to court to challenge Wiper Party decision to dethrone him as Majority Leader of Machakos County Assembly.
We are going to do the best, and things will not be normal like it used to be. About the budget which we passed recently, we must make sure that money is utilized to the needs of Mwananchi, not to the needs of executive.
Finally, the Kiambu High Court is set to make a ruling on whether to invalidate Kiambu Alcoholic Drinks Control Act used by the county government to control alcohol consumption in the region. During the final submission, the Kikuyu Bar Owners Welfare Association, through their lawyers, challenged the act on grounds that it is not only discriminatory and draconian, but also unconstitutional.
Licenses are issued for licit alcohol, not illicit alcohol. So references to illicit alcohol should not arise. Those are the things that should be, are under the control of the national government and have its own guidelines.
Lady Justice Christine Meoli will consider the petition and make a determination on 5th of October 2018. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.